students, welcome to maths class. Today we will discuss the further types of the topic matrices, which is the arrangement of elements in form of rows and columns. First of all, we will discuss the objectives of today's class. So far we have discussed these two objectives. Now we will discuss next two objectives. Objective number 3, that is equality of two matrices, and objective number 4, that is addition and subtraction of the matrices. Also, we know the rule to write the matrices. First of all, write down name of the matrix, then big brackets, and within the brackets we will write all the elements, all the entries. And also we know that horizontal are rows and vertical are the columns. And here we write the order. First of all, we write the number of rows, then we write the number of columns. So its order is 2 by 3. Now we will start with the questions. There is a rule for addition and subtraction of matrices. According to that rule, addition and subtraction of matrices is possible if and only if both the matrices are having same order. Means for addition of two matrices, order of both matrices should be equal. Now this is the question. Statement is, if A equals to 2, minus 5, 3, 7 and B equals to 4, 2, 6 and minus 11, then find A plus B. Means we have to add both the matrices A and B. First of all, check the order. Order of matrix A is 2 by 2, this one 2 by 2, and order of matrix B is also 2 by 2. Order of both the matrices are same, so addition is possible. Now start with the addition. Now find A plus B equals to matrix A plus sign matrix B. Now what is the rule of addition? Corresponding elements will be added. First element will add to this, second 3 will be added to this second, third plus third, fourth plus fourth. Now see the solution. 2 plus 4 equals to 6, 3 plus 6 equals to 9, minus 5 plus 2 equals to minus 3, and 7 minus 11, sign of bigger term, minus 4. So this is the answer of A plus B. Now see next question, that is, if A equals to 5, minus 1, 2, 7, B equals to minus 1, 29, 5 and 11, then find A minus B. Means here we will do subtraction of both the matrices. Again rule is same, we have to see the order. Order of matrix A, that is 2 by 2, and order of matrix B, that is also 2 by 2. Now order of both matrices is same, so subtraction is possible. Start with the subtraction. A minus B, minus sign, write down the value of both the matrices. Now start subtracting. First element of first matrix, then this minus sign and minus 1. Now two minus signs, it will become plus. 5 plus 1, answer will be 6. Then minus 1, minus 29. Minus minus, sign of minus, add the numbers. Minus 30. Then 2 minus 5. Plus minus, sign of bigger term, subtract the numbers. Answer is minus 3. Then 7 minus 11. This one, plus minus, sign of bigger term, subtract the numbers. Answer is minus 4. So after subtraction, we'll get this as answer. Now our next concept is equality of matrices. According to this concept, when two matrices are equal, two matrices A and B are called equal and written as A equals to B if and only if A and B are of same order. Means their order should be same. Of order of A and order of B should be equal. Now, second point is their corresponding elements are equal. Means first element of first matrix should be equals to first element of the second matrix. Similarly, second element of this should be equals to second element of this, and so on. Now let's start with the question. Statement is, if x plus 3y, y, 7 minus x, 4 is equals to 4 minus 1, 0, 4, find the values of x and y. Now here children, see, equals to sign is given. Means these both matrices are equal. First element is equals to this first. Second element equals to this. Third equals to this. And fourth equals to this. Now by using the rule of equal matrices, we will find the values of x and y. Now see the solution given. These are given. Now order. Check the order. Order is same. If the matrices are equal, then their order should be same. And also their corresponding elements are also equal. As I told you, first equals to first, second equals to second, third, and similarly fourth. Now from second, what we have got? We have got y equals to minus 1. And from third, we will get this 7 minus x equals to 0. 7 will remain this side, x is negative, so x will go that side. So therefore x equals to 7 and y equals to minus 1. This is the required answer. Children, today so far we have covered these two objectives. I hope that sums related to these objectives are clear to you. Now, worksheets will be sent to you in Snap Homework, and solve that worksheets yourself. And I hope that you will be able to solve all the worksheets that has been sent to you in Snap Homework. Thank you and have a nice day.